Are you tired of spending money on ads that don't deliver results? Meet Aha Ads, the AI-driven platform transforming influencer marketing. Hi, I'm Jamie. Today I want to show you Aha Ads. Aha Ads is a platform that connects brands with content creators on platforms like YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and X. They specialize in running influencer campaigns for brands. And what makes Aha Ads stand out is AI-powered optimization that handles everything, from targeting the right audience to managing budgets in real time. First, let's talk about the AI-powered campaign optimization. The AI works behind the scenes, adjusting over 100 parameters to ensure your ads reach the right audience at the right time. Next, creator partnerships. You can partner with creators who genuinely connect with their audience, making your ads more authentic and engaging. Then there's performance-based advertising. You only pay for the actual results like clicks, ensuring every dollar counts. And finally, comprehensive campaign management. From setup to weekly performances, summaries, Aha Ads makes campaign management seamless. Let me walk you through this. You're going to love it. It's super easy to do. I'm going to log in. I already have a created account, but you can go ahead, sign up for a free one. So once we log in here, it's going to walk us in through step by step. Once you're signed in, just go ahead and click on Create a Campaign. You're going to see how quickly you can do this. Now, what's your objective for the campaign? Is it going to be for increased traffic, increased leads, sales, signups? You pick what's going to be the best for you. Go ahead, pick one, and then we just go and pick next. Tell about your business. Just go ahead and put a website in, and then AI will auto-complete this for you. The AI goes and collects information from your business here. You can see that it has things from core audience, core selling points, elevator pitch. Go ahead, hit next at this point. Now we can add a little bit more criteria. I'm going to go ahead and select YouTube for this example, but you can see what else you can add. Now I'll pick YouTube, I'll keep it as English, my location, I'll say North America. You see we have post date, flexible post time. I'm going to keep it as this one and click next. If you know what your budget is going to be, go ahead and place it in. I'm going to say $5,000 a month. I'm also going to pick for a YouTube dedicated video, 1,000, and we'll say 400 for integrated videos. Over on the side, we'll get an estimated campaign results. You can see the views are ranging from 20 to 250K, the CPM, and the cost savings. At this point, I'm going to go ahead and click Generate Audiences. At this point, AI matched me with my optimized audiences. I can uncheck any of these, but if you like everything, just go to the next step and click Generate Creatives. Now, the AI has curated content from past viral hits, so I can reference this material to the content creators that I get matched with. Are there any do's and don'ts of your campaign? You can go ahead, add them here. Any content creators you don't want to work with. This is where you can add some extra information. What's the service model do you want? Manual placement, do it yourself, or automated placement done for you. So you have that option to check what you want. You're going to get your campaign summary where you put in your landing page link, check out to make sure everything's the way you want. And if it is, go ahead and hit next and you can enter your payment details. After you release your campaign, the AI is going to connect your brand with the best possible influencer to help reach your target goals. You're going to have the option to examine each of the influencers that are chosen from the AI. You can understand the reason why they're picked for you, hit video references, and as you go through and get an understanding of which ones will be the best for you, all you need to do is click confirm when you know you found the right one. You can confirm multiple, and if you want to remove any of the influencers from the list, this is a simple click and you can give the reason why. If a reason or decision comes up to postpone the timeline, just a simple click is all that it needs. After you have your creators selected, Aha Ads makes it so easy to work with them. In the first step, the creator submits a script to you. As you review it, you have the options to review it, postpone it again, or give feedback. With a simple click to approve, then it goes to the next step. The next step is the video draft. Based on the script that the creator gave to you, they'll go and create the video and submit it in the same way. You can review it, and just like the script, you can choose whether to give feedback, approve it, or postpone. After the video is released, you're going to want to dig down into the metrics to see how it's performing. With Aha Ads, you can quickly find out all this information. If you want to dig into the views, the clicks or the CPM or CPC, it's all right there for you. You can also take a look at the campaigns and look at the reports within each of these. If you're a content creator, Aha Ads has you covered too. The Aha Creator Platform helps you land brand deals, manage collaborations, and ensures timely payments. From my own experience, it's worked out very well. The AI selects me for a campaign, I show interest with just a simple click, and then I get notified if the brand selects me. When they do, I receive half the payment up front before I even start anything. Let's take a look at a real life success story with Vivico AI. By leveraging Aha Ads, Vivico AI was able to significantly enhance their influencer marketing strategy. With Aha Ads AI-driven optimization, Vivico AI saw a 60% increase in website traffic and reduced their advertising costs by 35%. The platform's ability to accurately target the right audience and manage budgets in real time made all the difference. Imagine transforming your influencer marketing like Shaker did. They leverage Aha Ads AI to connect with genuine creators and fine-tune their campaigns in real time. Running campaigns across platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, Shaker boosted engagement by 40%, reduced their ad spend by 25%, and increased conversion rates by 35%. These concrete improvements highlight the real impact that Aha Ads can have on your marketing efforts. Ready to take your advertising to the next level? Check out Aha Ads with the link in the description and start building campaigns that actually deliver results.